Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to change Apple ID on iPhone. So if you want to change your Apple ID or if you want to log out and log in again, this video will help you how to do that. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open the settings app, and once when you're here, you need to come here, sign out. So now I have to enter the password. So let me just enter the password in order to sign out and I'll be back. So I've clicked sign out and now it is going to sign me out. It's up to me if I want to keep a copy of calendars or health or keychains, Safari, any of these. It's like completely up to me. So I'm not going to check any of it. I'm going to click sign out, sign out. So now it's going to remove all the iCloud data associated with this Apple ID that I have. So it's going to take some time. So now you can see that I'm completely logged out. So now what I can do, I have to log in again. If you have to log in again through another Apple ID, what you have to do, you have to click here and sign in manually. You can either, bring another device near which contains an Apple ID and you can sign in like that, or you can sign in just manually. So I'm going to click here. So let me just enter the Apple ID that I have and I'll get back to you. Okay, so once when you enter your Apple ID and your password, this is going to be in front of your home screen. So what Apple is going to do, Apple is going to send a code to any other mobile or MacBook or laptop device that I have, and it's going to ask permission from those devices just in order to make sure that the Apple ID is owned by the same person. So what do we need to do? We need to enter the code that we get to the other devices. So let me just enter that code. Okay, so after entering that code, Apple is going to sign you in. Now, this is the same process for every Apple ID that you have. Even if it's the same ID, or if it's two different IDs, or if it's three IDs that you have, no matter how many IDs that you have, this is going to be the same procedure for every single Apple ID. There are no different procedures for different IDs. Like if you have same IDs, then this procedure, or if you have different IDs, then a different procedure. No, that's not how it works. It's the same for every Apple ID that you have. So let me enter the password and I'll be back to you. It's asking to merge the data of this ID with this phone. It's completely up to you. I'm going to go with don't merge. Okay, so that's it. You're signed in back into your Apple ID. So that's how you use two different Apple IDs or one Apple ID and log out and log in again. That's how you do all of it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.